Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Asfo smartwatch for man with a 1.43 inches AMOLED display. This is a military smartwatch for man with a light-emitted diode flashlight, 530 mAh large battery, and 5 atmosphere waterproof. This is, at the same time, it's a fitness tracker. We can use our smartwatch with answer and make calls if our Android or iOS or Apple device is nearly and paired, of course. It is available in midnight on the market and silver on the market. That's really cool. We have here a Realtek operation system with 256 megabyte memory storage. We have blood pressure monitor, LED flashlight, multi-sport tracker, alarm lock, and always-on display. This is a military smartwatch with LED light because the S4 military smartwatch for man features an aerospace-grade metal construction and a 9H hardness glass panel. It combines multiple high-gloss cutting processes with a brushed metal design to enhance both its premium feel and durability. Its uniquely designed side mechanical buttons not only maintain the elegant touch of the traditional mechanical watches, but also its added powerful flashlight function. The built-in high brightness light-emitted diode can illuminate up to 20 meters. Whether we are on an outdoor adventure or dealing with unexpected situations, it provides a reliable illumination in a dark environment, ensuring both safety and convenience. We have a 60-plus day super long standby time. This smartwatch for Android phones is powered by a high-density 530 mAh lithium polymer battery with a Qualcomm's hybrid architecture, ensuring a long-lasting and stable performance. The magnetic charging cable effectively avoids the wear issue common with the traditional interfaces, fully charging the watch in just 2 hours. It offers 7 up to 20 days of reliable usage and an ultra-long standby time of 60 days, so we won't need to recharge frequently. Equipped with a Realtek 8763 EWEVP super chip and an AI-powered energy-saving algorithm, it maximizes the energy efficiency, compatible with Android 4.4 Plus and iOS 8 Plus. The outdoor visibility is a tactical smartwatches for man features a 1.43 inches AMOLED touchscreen with an ultra-high resolution of 466 to 466 pixels and a screen brightness of up to 450 nits. This ensuring an optimal visibility even in a direct sunlight. And we no need to lift our wrist or touch the screen to check the time. The display remains always on if we like, because this is of course not so energy saving. Compared to a traditional LCD screen, the AMOLED is more energy efficient and provides a greater clarity, enhancing the overall user experience. And on top, we have more than 120 sports modes and health monitorings, because this outdoor fitness watch has been upgraded with over 120 professional sports modes. This providing real-time tracking of exercise durations, heart rate, steps, distance, and calorie which we burned, among other health metrics too. The new AI algorithm enables the S4 smartwatch to collect data more accurately. Additionally, this blood pressure watch is equipped with an advanced optical PPG sensor that monitors the heart rate, the blood pressure, the blood oxygen level, and sleep quality in real time. The data is, of course, reference only, and it's not intended for medical purpose. And we stay connected and informed at the same time. Featuring a built-in microphone and a high-fidelity speaker, this 5-atmosphere waterproof smartwatch operates with the latest Realtek single-chip processor and dual-mode Bluetooth 5.0, incorporating cutting-edge NLPI algorithm. Users can make, receive, and reject calls, view the all logs, and add contacts directly from the watch. Additionally, this man's smartwatch supports receiving various notifications, including short message services, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook messengers, and so on. After we pair the Astro smartwatch with our phone via Bluetooth, we can automatically sync the audio from our phone. If we want to keep it mute, we simply swipe down and the phone icon in the bottom left corner and uncheck the multimedia audio option. The smartwatch is resistant to daily splashes and short immersions, but it's not recommended to wear it for a long period for swimming. Showering or taking a hot bath, no problem, of course, because it's 5 atmosphere, waterproof. And over 200 plus dials are available. The 2024 smartwatches has a big bunch of possibility in dials. And this is a hot pick. Military grade certification, a big battery, voice assistant Bluetooth calls, and 5 atmosphere waterproof. With a 1.43 inches AMOLED touchscreen, this is your companion for activities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's on.